Welcome to a how-to video by Alpico. Today we're going to look at the Truck 3 and how to change the time. Firstly, you press the 0 and 9 button together and that will enter calibration mode. You then type in the password, which is 6 2s. Press enter. Then under setup, by pressing enter again, you can then scroll down to the bottom to where it says new time. The new time is selected, which you then press clear, and then you can then enter using the keypad the new time. Once the time is then changed, you can then press 0 and 9 together to then come back to delivery mode. The time is now changed.